As always, guys, I am super humbled to host you back on my channel, so you are all welcome. Today we're talking about DIY nails with gel nail strips. The first thing is always to wash your hands dry. So I apologize, my hands are looking a little bit ashy because at least 1 hour before installation your hands are supposed to be dry and free of oil. So the first thing I want to do after washing my hands is to clean off with an antibacterial wipe. In case I hurt myself, I don't want to introduce any foreign bacteria into my skin, so I always use an antibacterial wipe. And then after that, I use my file. It comes with every set of DashingDiva nail strips that you get. So you want to just slightly buffer off the first layer of your nail and then have it rough so that your gel strips can have something rough to bind to. So that's what I'm doing. Not too rough, just be very gentle with your nails. And then you want to clean off with your acetone or nail polish remover. And so here's me just figuring out what design I want to do for my nails. I obviously chose the set on my left and the leftovers from previous sets. I always bring them out and trying to figure out how I can make a mixed masala type of design for my nails. So I advise you to be very creative with your nails because you can, okay? So I'm definitely keeping the gold, the marble, and the nude for when my nails are way longer because I feel that design looks better when my nails are longer. So on my left hand, I did my thumb just for example. So I know exactly the size for my right thumb. That's why I peeled off the right thumb. And I carefully line it with my nail bed. And the first thing you want to do is to paste it and press it along the length of your nail, then the sides of your nail to wrap it up. That's the best thing you can do. So you want to press it along the length of your nail and then wrap it along the sides of your nail. The biggest thing is placement. So after you are happy with your placement, then you want to press all over the nail to make sure you have gotten rid of all the air pockets. So you want to keep pressing, you want to keep massaging that gel strip along your nail bed, and you make sure every bit of the gel strip is stuck to your nail. Take your time because it's a very important step. As soon as you're satisfied that your gel strip is very smooth and there are no air pockets left, then you fold over the extra gel strip over the end of your nail bed, and that extra gel strip is where you're going to cut off. So I use scissors, but later on I decided, a nail cutter is even way better for the job. So whatever works for you, it's fine with me. So you want to keep smoothing it out, and then when you're very sure that there are no air pockets, everything is smooth, then you can cut off your extra gel strip. And so after cutting off the extra gel strip, you want to grab your nail file. So you want to file the rest of your gel strip off in one direction. So you want to do, like for me in this example, I did top to bottom in a kind of like diagonal way. Diagonal way. So if you want to do up and down or down and up, whatever you want to do, but keep it one direction. So I did down and up in kind of like a diagonal way. So you go up and down, you pick up your nail file, place it again on your nail, and then you go down and up until you get that extra gel strip off of your nail. Be very careful. You are in no rush. You want to smoothen the edge of your nail until it looks something like this. Okay, so remember the left thumb was an example. So I knew the exact size for my right thumb. So I didn't struggle with that, but I advise you to size up every finger like I'm doing right now for every finger. Make sure you have a correct size for every finger before you start. So after that, you pick up the correct size for your nail and then you align it with the nail bed. And the first thing you want to do is to press along the length of your nail bed when you're sure of the sizing. After the length, then you want to press along the sides of the nail bed. That's when you massage and make sure every air pocket is dealt with. When you're sure that it is smooth and there are no air pockets available, then you fold over your extra gel strip. When you're sure again for the second time, then you can grab either your nail cutter or your scissors. You cut off the extra gel polish. After that, then you'll pick up your nail file. That's when you're going to file in one direction to get rid of the extra gel strip. Make sure it's one directional, okay? And then you file off top to bottom or bottom to top, diagonally or bone straight, whatever is okay with you. And then you make sure your gel aligns correctly with your real nail. So guys, literally that is all I do for every nail, and be assured you're gonna have bomb nails for at least a 14-day wear. Okay, I am uploading updates on my nail wear every day for the next 14 days on my Instagram, so please make sure you're following me. I use the same handle. This is Zinzi Official. If you still haven't subscribed on my channel, please do so right away, and make sure your notification button is on as well, because you will need to be informed as soon as I upload new content. Okay, I really appreciate your support, guys, and I value your followership so much you could never know. Thank you so much. And voila, my darlings, this is your look for the next 14 days. If I could, I would do it every day, honestly. And I had people asking me how my nails would look if they were short, so I literally had to cut off my real nails so that I would have a short nail design just specifically for you. So if I could, I would do it every day. But yeah, this stays for at least 14 days. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll be updating you for the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for the next post.